Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach. I'm excited for this one today. We've got a great 3-bed, 2-bath on the very west end of Panama City Beach, and it has been upgraded beautifully.
I do love the upgrades, but one of the things I love about that house over in the low water area is the location. It's on a corner lot, and you don't have like exorbitant HOA fees to worry about. You have a great location where you're close to Highway 79.
Yes.
You could hop up over to 38, to the airport.
You're just 5 minutes from Pier Park, hit a right.
Shopping.
Yes.
Frank Brown Park and all that
perfect.
Frank Brown Park has to offer, as well as the conservation trails. Talk about a perfect location.
And it's all been modernized already, so it is ready to go.
Excellent, let's check it out. Hey there, we're over here at this lovely home on the west end of the beach on Villa Court in the Low Water Beach area. And I just wanted to share one of my favorite rooms in the house, and that is the kitchen. Really spacious, nice updated granite countertops, as well as stainless steel appliances. But I think my favorite part is this huge center island. You can do all the things. You've got lots of storage underneath, as well as plenty of cabinetry. No need to get frustrated with no place to put that Tupperware. You've got plenty of room here. And as you go into the open concept living area, it's nice and cozy, but just enough space. LVP throughout, no carpet to deal with, which is great at the beach. Nice neutral colors throughout, and some crown molding, recessed lighting with extra touches. This is a perfect size beach getaway or primary residence. Let's go see what Heather has to say about the rest of the home.
Thanks, Britt. I love the upgrades in this home. It's been completely modernized. And those LVP floors continue into this large and expansive main ensuite. I just can't get over how much space there is here, but check out how they modernized this bathroom. You now have dual sinks, a nice, large, beautiful shower, and I just like the finishing touches of extra mirrors versus just kind of construction grade mirrors. This is a beautiful home, 3 beds, 2 bath, corner lot. It's just divine. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link that'll take you to all of the finer details and extra photos and anything you might have questions on.
And wait, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, thebeachshow.com. Hit that follow button so you don't miss out on any future deals.